Hey, news followers, big story breaking overnight, and I want to walk you through what just happened. The U.S. Supreme Court has just cleared a major path for the Trump administration's immigration agenda, and the ripple effects could be massive. Here's the headline. In a 6-3 decision during a late-night session, the justices lifted a block on deportations for Venezuelans living in the U.S. under temporary protected status, TPS for short. If you're new to TPS, it's basically a humanitarian program that lets people from countries in crisis stay in the U.S. for a set period. For Venezuelans, that meant safety from the violence and economic collapse back home. But now, with the Supreme Court order, the Department of Homeland Security can pull that protection, meaning up to 348,000 Venezuelans could suddenly be at risk of deportation. Picture this, an animated map of the U.S. with hotspots lighting up in Florida, Texas, and New Jersey. Those are some of the states with the largest Venezuelan communities. Let's talk numbers. Imagine a ticker running across the bottom of your screen. 348,000 lives in limbo. That's families, kids in schools, people who've built businesses and homes here, all waiting to see what happens next. So, how did we get here? Back in 2021, TPS was extended to Venezuelans fleeing a government crackdown and economic meltdown, but Trump's team always saw TPS as a temporary patch, not a permanent solution. Lower courts had blocked the administration from ending those protections, arguing it could put people in danger. But last night, the Supreme Court overruled those blocks. No explanation, no hearing, just a terse order. I wish I could show you the looks on the justices' faces, but all we've got is a courtroom sketch. Somber, businesslike, no hint of the anxiety outside those marble walls. What does this mean right now? For advocates, it's a gut punch. For those with TPS, it's a countdown. The Department of Homeland Security could start issuing removal notices any day. There's talk of mass deportations, legal challenges, even bipartisan calls for Congress to step in. But for now, the Supreme Court's word stands. If you or someone you know is affected, now is the time to check your status, talk to an immigration lawyer, and follow the latest from DHS. There's a lot of fear, a lot of uncertainty, and the story is far from over. Stay tuned, stay informed, and more than ever, stay connected. This is the kind of moment that shapes policy, politics, and real people's lives. Thanks for watching. Please click like and subscribe to receive future breaking news updates.